Now, local on 8, tell time it is so weather. Storm surge warnings in effect. Hurricane warnings in effect. Flash flood watch until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday.
Currently in our area, 82 degrees under partly cloudy skies.
Here on our Store Doppler radar.
Tonight, late night thunderstorms. Low 77. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Sunday, tropical storm conditions likely. Windy with thunderstorms. High 79. Sunday night, bands of heavy rain containing strong gusty winds at times. Low 76. Here's our 7-day outlook.